Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at how to embed a video into Moodle. Now, you hear sometimes about different pedagogies or philosophies of teaching where you hear sometimes about the flipped classroom and stuff like that. And what the flipped classroom basically is where the students watch videos at home in the evening and their homework is the lecture or the learning itself, and then their application of the material happens in class. I do like it sometimes. I think it does work well sometimes. And obviously, as with all information, it depends on what lesson, what the content is, as to whether students are going to learn better with the homework at home or with doing the homework with the teacher present. But we're just going to get into how to embed the video. Let's see here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Moodle. Now, this is a little bit interesting, but Moodle actually likes Internet Explorer, just from my personal what I found. It does not jive well with Google Chrome. I use Google Chrome most of the time, but we're going to use Internet Explorer just because it seems to work a little bit better with it. We're going to go into Moodle. We're going to log in. And we're also going to want to go ahead, get into our class, and we're going to turn editing on. Okay, so I'm down here, the editing's on. I'm going to go to add a resource, and you can do this in whatever chapter, whatever section you need to, but you do need to add it as a resource, and you have to add it as a web page. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Name, I'm going to call this one Properties of Ways. You can do a summary if you want to. I'm not going to. And you have to get the video that you want. Now, I've obviously already gone to YouTube. I've watched this video, decided, yep, it's a good video. I like it. It explains the things well. And so we're going to use this one. Now you got to find somewhere, whether it's YouTube or a different website, you have to find somewhere where it says share or embed. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now it gives me the hyperlink here. So if I could, I could use this if I want the kid to direct his or her browser to this site, but I'm going to embed it. That means I'm going to put it in Moodle. It won't physically be in Moodle, but I'm going to keep it where everything looks like it's in Moodle's site, but it's going to be this video showing from YouTube inside Moodle's site. So I'm going to go down to embed, and no one writes HTML code anymore, but you can see right here that's the HTML code how to do that. I like to use this size right here. You can use a small one, just let the students expand it if they want to. This is a personal preference, but I don't like it when it shows suggested videos after my video ends, just because you never know what's going to pop up. So I uncheck that one, and then it changes the HTML code up here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit Control C. I'm going to basically copy it, and this is the code how to embed it. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm back to Internet Explorer. I'm back to Moodle. So I'm going to scroll down. This says compose a web page. Well, this is the magic button right here. It says toggle HTML source. So now, when I click that, we're going to put something in. I don't know what that does. I'm going to get rid of it. But we're going to put something in, but it's going to be the HTML code. Control paste. And basically now, since I hit that button, the computer or the website is going to do what this says. It's not just going to show it as text, it's going to do whatever it says. You can take a look at these options in your own time. One thing is window. Do you want it to show in the same window, or do you want it to open up a new window? If you have it open up a new window pops up, and the kids or whoever have to cross out X out of that one to get back to the normal Moodle. I do the same window, and then they'll have to use the backspace or the back arrow to get back to the other one, but get back to their original area. I'm going to hit save and return to course. And we did it. I'm going to turn editing off just to see how the students would. And if I click on it, it's going to take me right here. And then as you can see, it might take a little bit of time to do it just because I'm trying to do so much at the same time, but it'll start showing YouTube's video in here. Now it's important to note that you have to have internet access at the time, obviously, and that in this case, if a student's doing it from school, YouTube cannot be blocked